2025 BMW M8 Competition in Isle of Man green with beautiful carbon fiber accents. In my stories on Instagram, I showed how I took the hazing off, even though the car came in brand new the day after she bought it. And there was still hazing that was polished out. So we did a paint correction / polish on this vehicle, and then did ceramic coating on the exterior. No wheels and calipers on this one. And she contemplated PPF briefly, but decided against that for now. Of course, you have the beautiful carbon fiber in the rear as well, around the exhausts and the rear spoiler. Absolutely flawless finish on this car. You have a carbon fiber roof as well. It's a little bit windy, it's been rainy lately. I'm lucky that it actually is sunny right now. 15-30 minutes from now it probably could be storming again. But yeah, so let me show the interior, which has, the beautiful cream or vanilla or whatever you want to call it inserts, and then the stitching as well. Alcantara just about everywhere. Door jambs have been ceramic coated as well, as we always do. I wish you had decided to ceramic coat the wheels and calipers as well, because especially with BMWs, that always comes in handy if you don't have carbon ceramic brakes. So I think on a BMW you absolutely have to do ceramic coating. It will make life so much easier to keep the wheels clean once they are coated. If not, good luck. You have a lot of cleaning to do. A couple of miles after leaving here, these wheels will look completely covered in dirt again. But yeah, absolutely beautiful car. Green is one of my favorite colors, but I'm not a fan of every green. I don't like the super bright greens, for instance. But this one I think is just right in the middle.